Hey, Chris with East Coast Rescue Solutions. Today we're going to talk about our Gen 4 Forcible Entry Door. Some of the big features of the Gen 4 door is the second door that we can mount. The first one, as you see here, is this security screen door. It has 4 locks on it, has a latch guard on it with this setup of the deadbolt that can mount on the door here. Your other option is a solid steel door like you see here. We can mount a second one. Gives you left, right, and inward and outward. Some of the features of our doors that stand us apart is the almost 60 inches of workable space, top to bottom. This is really important in forcible entry, that you have a door that gives you multiple locks like ours does, top, middle, and bottom, with multiple levels of resistance, not just having a small space. It allows you to work up and down the door with the door flexing, allowing you to get forces and work the locks one at a time. Also, we have our heavy magnet doorknob on here. And then we have handles here on the side of the door. These are for mounting 4x8 sheets of plywood. They mount over the side, giving your students that feel of restricted space or end of a hallway. And then as we go around the door, we'll go look at the outward side of the door here. This is the outward side of the door. As you can see, it has 3 locks, top, middle, and bottom, using basic 2x2s and 1x2s that you can just cut. No jig or anything needed to set these up. Also in this setup, we have our centerpiece here, which is for our drop bar. This is optional. It holds 12 pieces of carriage bolts that allows you to plunge, cut, pike, or cut with a K12 to defeat the drop bar, and we'll show that later on in the video. The door does come apart or can add wheeled dollies to it to be moved around easily. It has a non-skid section on the base plate, and the door weighs about 755 pounds. Let's go look at our all-in-one props. These are our all-in-one props that can mount to the 3 receivers as you see on the side of the door, really giving our door a modular feature that allows you to have all your props on one door. The first is, this is the rebar cutting tree. It gives a window bar design. It holds 6 pieces of rebar in place. Also our padlock cut. This is mimics a case hardened lock where you can cut the rebar. It comes with a jig that you can bend the rebar also. This is our through the lock prop. It uses a milled lock cylinder on a mortise lock, pulling the lock cylinder, resetting it with set screws, and manipulating the Adams right. Also, the prop comes with 2 hinge pulling cutting props. Uses sets of screws to pull those. And then we have our new feature, which is our hockey puck lock. It allows you to size up correctly hockey puck locks and cut them. And those are just some of the features of our East Coast Rescue Solutions Gen 4 door. Reach out to us today for more information. Look forward to talking with you soon.